Time's heartbeat echoed. A determined soul tumbled through, landing in a world where every second danced. Clumsy yet brave, he was destined for adventure. The clock's giant hands spun wildly. A trickster watched, eyes gleaming mischievously. Did he hold the secret to escape? A nimble friend was by his side. Together they would solve the puzzle, unravel the enigma of time itself. Glitching between friend and foe, the mechanical helper faltered. Trust was a fragile thread, but they pressed on through the chaos. Inspiration sparked. The hidden chrono key lay waiting. Grasp it, and time would bend to their will. The last piece of a lost time map exposed itself. A pathway through the vortex wove before them, fragile yet full of promise. Unbeknownst to them, a last trap was set. Time began to freeze, moments hanging as still as shadows. Quick thinking ignited action. The key and map combined, unraveling the curse with a shattering brilliance. The time maze collapsed, falling gracefully into place. The hourglass of chaos transformed into harmony once more. They emerged triumphant, breathless yet joyful. Time's rhythm pulsed steady, an echo of their escapade. Up they gazed, hearts light. The clock wasn't just a keeper of time. It held stories of courage and friendship eternal. Beneath a blanket of stars, adventures awaited. Time now flowed with them, forever etched in its golden